to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back now. And if you already read that title down below, then you know what we get into today. So y'all can see I'm in the kitchen, but it's not a cooking with Jazz video today. I'm actually gonna be a little bartender for y'all, honey. I'm gonna be making a little cute little mixed drink. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know some of the ingredients that y'all need. So first up, I got me some Sutter Homes pink Moscato. I got me a Daiquiri frozen cocktail. I have me a pink lemonade by Maid. Have some lime juice, and I have some frozen strawberries and frozen pineapples, and of course my blender. So those are some of the ingredients that I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna give y'all a close up of everything. Then we're gonna go ahead and taste this bad boy once we get done with it. So come on, y'all. So first I'm gonna start off by taking my frozen cocktail and putting it inside the blender first. So yeah, that should be enough. Probably put too much. Yeah, this should be enough. And then I'm going to take my frozen fruit, pop them in there. Take me some lime juice, pour it over it, just a little bit, you know, just to kill that twang of that alcohol. My pink lemonade. And my wine. Y'all see the consistency? And now we're gonna pour it in a cup and we're gonna see what this thing is giving, honey. All right, y'all, for the most important part, I got my cup. We're gonna taste this thing. I'm gonna smell it first. Smell good, smell like strawberries and wine. Look at that. Okay. Oh yeah. This it right here, baby. This is it right here. I got something I can bring to the cookout. That's it right now. It's a perfect mixture of the pink Moscato with the Bahama Mama. Perfect mixture. Yeah, it's good. So, if y'all like wine like me, if y'all a wine drinker, you at home, and y'all want to try up a quick little cute recipe, or y'all need something to take to the cookouts to show out with, or y'all having girls night having a little company and you want to whip up something real cute and sweet, this it right here. I'm gonna make sure I drop all the ingredients in the description bar below, so y'all check it out. Comment some more drink recipes y'all want me to try on my channel. Comment that down below in the comment section, of course. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I love each and every one of y'all, and I will see y'all in my next one. Peace out.